There's a new app beginners are using to generate AI YouTube shorts, and some of them are making over $1,200 a day. So in this free step-by-step tutorial, I want to give channels that are already making money so you can copy them. And this is coming from someone who's been doing YouTube automation for almost 10 years. Not only have I done it for myself, but I also helped thousands of videos and they pull millions of views. Here's another one with only 83 videos and 200,000 subscribers, and all of these are AI generated shorts, just like these over here, which literally get tens of millions of views. And so far, this channel got 400 million views in 1 year. And another one over here started out pretty recently, but already has 80,000 subscribers with these AI generated shorts, including this one with these AI generated shorts, including this one with just 71 videos and tens of millions of views, and this one with even less videos, but 400,000 subscribers already. They started a year ago and already have 190 million views. And this channel is millions of views. Okay, no, but what is this? Though it's worth noting that YouTube Shorts don't pay nearly as much as long-form videos do. So the first step is to go to example channels that you want to replicate. You go to their most popular videos, just click popular, and then simply take a screenshot. Not one, but as many screenshots as you can of different channels and of different videos. Now you simply want to go over to chatgpt.com. You want to upload all of those screenshots from your computer right here. The more, the better. And then you just want to say, based on these viral shorts ideas, come up with similar 10 new viral ideas. For example, for a channel that covers bizarre history facts, and make the titles almost the same as these channels because that's proven to get clicks and get a result. And where to get it for completely free, how to actually copy it from this document. But once you have it, you're gonna go back to this ChatGPT chat. You're gonna type in your niche, whatever that is, and later on I will give you a list of 1,000 different example accounts so you can choose any niche you want. For this example, I'm gonna be using the history niche. Video format is gonna be shorts, style of writing is gonna be friendly, and a brief description of what the video is about. Well, I'm just gonna take these channels that are already doing what they want to do. They can open one of their videos, they can click share, they can copy the link to that, and they can go to Google and search for YouTube to MP3. Now, when you do so, you go to one of these MP3 converters, you paste the link and you click convert, and that allows you to download the audio file of that YouTube short. Now, once you have the audio file, you can then go to TurboScribe AI, which is this free AI tool that allows you to transcribe that audio file. You just got to click on transcribe files and drag and drop that here, wait for a few seconds until it uploads. When it does, just click transcribe, and that basically gives you word for word what was said in that YouTube short. Now you can take that information and you can paste it at the bottom where it says brief description of what a video will be about, and you can paste that script, or you can just have it there as an example of what performed well, what kind of script. As you can see, it doesn't have an intro, outro, or anything. It goes directly into the short, so that's a good example. Now here we have now entire script generated in a really unique way. And then we can go to this AI tool called Story Short, go to the dashboard once you create an account, and click on new video. Now right over here, you want to copy and paste this script that you generated with ChatGPT. You see, what most beginners would want, they get the same results like everyone else, and they can't stand out and they can't really get any views. So you want to paste that script in here, and you want to remove all the unnecessary parts. Like here we have these notations like intro and hook, introducing the problem. So I just need the actual sauce, the actual script. So I'm going to remove everything that's not necessary, and I'm going to remove the outro as well, because the second you deliver on the value, you want to end that short. Now you can select the style that you want. I usually go with 4K realistic. You can then select the voice on the right hand side, and you can select which kind of music you want to set as the background. Now just click generate video, and now in seconds we got the full video generated with all the animations, voiceover, and captions. So let's play it to hear how it sounds.
You think you know the medieval kings and queens? Think again. Here's what your history teacher never told you. We often hear about the grandeur and power of medieval royalty, but behind the shiny crowns and velvet robes, the reality was far from glamorous. Brace yourself, because the true stories of what really went on in
This is crazy. This is generated with just one press of a button. So now I can click export. I can download this video to my computer. And next we need to launch the actual faceless channel. To find all of these prompts and a step-by-step blueprint to launching a channel that we're going to go through right now, you can just go to our free community that I will link in the description. Then just click on tools category right over here. There you're going to find a post which contains a bunch of free resources and free gifts. But you want to click on YouTube Automation Starter Blueprint. Once there, just click File, click on Make a Copy, and make a copy to your own Google Drive folder so that you can make changes to this Google document. So first of all, you want to choose a niche. There you can find that list of 1,000 different example accounts. It's right over here, and you can see how people are making money on YouTube without showing their face. But once you choose the niche, just untick that box and you go choose a channel, a name. For this, we just need to open up a Google document which contains a prompt that you can copy and then paste into ChatGPT.com. And then just insert your niche over here. So my niche is going to be all about history facts. So I'm going to submit that and see what ChatGPT comes up with. So we have a few ideas over here. I really like Histify, so I'm going to copy that name. I'm going to go over to YouTube and create a channel from scratch. Next up, we need to create channel branding. And looking at all of these different example channels, they all have some kind of person in their profile pictures. So I'm going to go to Leonardo.ai, which is this free AI tool that allows me to generate these kind of portraits. So I'm going to click on image creation on the left side, and I'm going to type in the prompt that is portrait of the Emperor Napoleon Bonaparte looking directly serious face, and just click generate. Now we have these images generated, so I'm going to select one of these profile pictures and I'm going to click download. Next up, we obviously need channel art. For this, I'm going to go to canva.com, click on custom size, and select custom size that is PX, which stands for pixels. And once there, I'm going to go to the element section, search for paper, and then select one of these, drag it above the entire image, go to the left side and add some text, and I'm just going to type in the name of my YouTube channel, and I'm going to choose a different font. Then I'm going to click share, click download as a PNG file. Then I'm simply going to go back to my YouTube channel, upload first of all this profile picture that I made with Leonardo, and then I'm also going to upload channel art which I made with Canva, and then I'm going to click publish. Next up, we need to optimize our YouTube Shorts channel. So I'm going to use this prompt from the step number 6 of that document. We're going to copy this prompt, simply head back to ChatGPT, enter the name of our YouTube channel here, and enter our niche. And then based on that, ChatGPT will create a perfect bio that we can use for our YouTube channel. So I'm going to copy that, go back, and then just paste that into the description box and click publish. Now our channel is almost ready. Next up, you want to click here to create and upload that new video. Copy and paste that name from ChatGPT, and in the description you can just add hashtag shorts. Select that this is not made for kids. Click next, again next, and now when you set a video to private, no one can see it. If you set the video to unlisted, then only people with your link to that video can see it. So you want to make sure that it's public. Once you have it public, just click publish. Now again, remember, YouTube Shorts pay a lot less than long form videos do, and even though on my long form video channels I can post just one video a